Welcome to Community ArtsKitchen.
How to sketch a bicycle. Supplies needed: sketch paper, pencil, and eraser. Before we begin drawing, let's study the basic parts of a bike frame. Fork and head tube, handlebars, down tube, seat tube, and rear triangle. Starting with the wheels, using a bottle cap to trace around, making sure the wheels are about 1.5 inches apart, mark a center dot for the hub, and trace an inside circle for the tires. Here comes the head tube, down tube, seat tube, and rear triangle, lightly sketched in, and a triangle shape for the seat, a diagonal for the handlebars. Now go over the frame lines to make them thicker and more prominent. Last but not least, go around the tires and add the spokes.
Thanks for watching. Community ArtsKitchen was created and developed by Barbara Libby-Steinmann and Anna Rochester. See you next time.